In the following video, we will learn how we can claim our Blogger blog on Pinterest. To do it, simply visit the Pinterest website and log in to your account. I am already logged in. Then on left sidebar, you will find the following options. You need to look for this setting button and click on it. Next, you need to click on claimed external accounts. Then on the following screen, you will find two options. First allows you to claim your Instagram account and second option allows you to claim your website. So we will use the second option and click on the claim button next to website. Then you will get three options to claim your website. First allows you to claim via HTML tag. Second allows you to upload HTML file directly in the root directory. And third one allows you to add TXT record in your domain host. In this video, we will use the first method. Firstly, visit your Blogger account and log in. Here, you need to click on the theme option available on the left sidebar. Then on this screen, you will find the customize button. You need to click on it and then click edit HTML. On this screen, look for the header tag and paste the HTML code right below it, just like that. Finally, you need to save the changes and go back. Now we will click on the continue button on Pinterest. And it asks us to enter the website URL and click verify button. So we will simply copy our blog address and then go back and paste it here. Then click on verify button. Here we go. We have successfully connected our Blogger blog. So you can follow the same steps to claim your blog. Similarly, if you want to unclaim it, you can do it by clicking the unclaim button available. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe.